Today I have another budget-friendly recipe for you called Pfannkuchen. These German-style pancakes are delicious and extremely versatile. You can fill them with either sweet or savory fillings, and everybody loves them. They make an excellent base for a variety of inexpensive breakfasts, desserts, and even main courses. I'm sure you are familiar with these if you had a German Mutti or Oma. Please share your favorite fillings or Pfannkuchen memories in the comments. Pfannkuchen only require a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. You need 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 1/4 cups of milk, 1 pinch of salt, 3 eggs, a shot glass of sparkling water, or alternatively half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, or 1 tablespoon of butter plus 1 tablespoon of neutral vegetable oil. When you click the Show More button, you will find a link to the printable recipes like always. And I highly recommend visiting that post because it contains not only the basic recipe for Pfannkuchen, but also a wide variety of utterly delicious fillings and toppings for these delicious German pancakes. Let me show you how to make them. Start by adding flour, eggs, and a pinch of salt to the large mixing bowl or a stand mixer bowl. Blend these ingredients before you gradually add the milk. This will prevent clumps from forming in the batter. And the batter will be ready when it shows some bubbles. Make sure to whisk on low speed, otherwise it will splatter everywhere. Then cover the batter and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. And after the resting phase, stir in about 1 shot glass of sparkling water. Melt the clarified butter or a bit of butter and oil over medium-high heat, and then add 1 ladleful of batter to the hot pan. It is best to remove the pan from the heat to distribute the batter evenly. Fry the pancakes on both sides. You should flip them when brown spots appear. Depending on if you like it crispier, then just bake it a little longer, but I prefer mine pretty lightly baked. Pfannkuchen can be served plain, just with a sprinkle of sugar, or with a variety of delectable fillings. You can serve them as a dessert or breakfast with sweet fillings, or as a main dish with savory fillings. Get inspired by my sweet and savory filling ideas, or get creative and try out your favorite flavor combinations. Guten Appetit!